Start by finding a comfortable and quiet space, free from distractions. As you settle into your space, whether it's sitting or laying down, take a few moments to center yourself. Close your eyes and begin to focus on your breath, taking slow and deep inhalations through the nose and exhaling gently through the mouth. Let go of any tension in your body, allowing your muscles to relax. Clear your mind of any thoughts or worries and simply be present in this moment. Let go of expectations and judgment and allow yourself to fully be present with the words that will follow. Be open to the experience and let your heart and mind be receptive to the positive energy and affirming words you will hear. I am grateful for my body's ability to heal and rejuvenate. I am embracing a healthy lifestyle that nourishes both my body and mind. I am cultivating inner peace and tranquility for my overall well-being. I am mindful of the thoughts I entertain, promoting positive mental health. I am a source of positive energy that uplifts my health and vitality. I am dedicated to practicing self-care and self-love each day. I am open to receiving healing and positive energy from the universe. I am radiating health and well-being from the inside out. I am sending love and healing energy to every cell in my body. I feel grateful for my body's ability to heal and restore itself. I feel empowered to make positive choices that nurture my health. I feel the healing energy of the universe flowing through me. I feel lightness and ease as I release stress and tension. I feel my body responding positively to the love I give. I feel gratitude for my mental and emotional well-being. I feel a sense of vitality that radiates from my inner well-being. I feel vibrant and full of energy, ready to embrace each day. I feel the positive impact of my choices on my health and happiness. I do prioritize my health and well-being in my daily choices. I do make conscious choices that supports my mental well-being. I do listen to my body's signals and listen with compassion. I do cultivate a positive mindset that contributes to my well-being. I do nourish my body with wholesome foods that promotes vitality. I do create a peaceful environment that supports my well-being. I do take time for relaxation and rejuvenation in my routine. I do seek out activities that bring joy and laughter into my life. I do invest in my health and well-being as a lifelong commitment. I love nourishing my body with healthy foods and drinks. I love practicing self-care as a way to honor my body and mind. I love the positive energy that flows through me when I prioritize my well-being. I love the feeling of relaxation and rejuvenation that comes from self-care. I love taking time to reset and recharge my body. I love cultivating a positive mindset that contributes to my well-being. I love being mindful of my thoughts and choosing those that uplift me. I love spending time outdoors, connecting with nature's healing energy. I love the gift of good health and express gratitude for it daily. I speak words of healing and wellness into every aspect of my life. I speak positively about my body's ability to heal and thrive. I speak words of gratitude for my body's health and vitality. I speak affirmations that align my thoughts with optimal well-being. I speak with kindness and compassion towards my body and mind. I speak affirmations that promote a positive mindset and emotional balance. I speak affirmations that manifest vibrant health and energy. I speak words of relaxation and peace to ease stress and tension. I speak affirmations that radiate positivity and joy for my well-being. I see my well-being as a priority worth investing in. I see my health improving with every positive choice I make. I see the potential for healing and rejuvenating within me. I see a future filled with vibrant health and positive energy. I see my body and mind working in harmony to support my well-being. I see the importance of nourishing my body with nutrient-dense foods. I see the rewards for prioritizing self-love and self-care. I see my body responding positively to the positive energy I infuse. I see my well-being radiating from within, influencing all areas of my life. I understand that my well-being is a precious asset worth nurturing. I understand that my thoughts and actions shape my overall health. I understand the importance of listening to my body's signals. I understand the power of gratitude in promoting well-being. I understand the value of managing stress for optimal health. I understand that a positive attitude supports my immune system. I understand that nourishing foods fuels my body's vitality. I understand that my well-being influences my ability to achieve my goals. I understand that my well-being radiates positive energy to those around me. As you continue your day, remember how important your health is. Take a moment to appreciate the care you give to your body, mind, and spirit. Let positive vibes be your guide to a full life of energy and happiness. Here's to your ongoing wellness, creating a positive vibe that brightens up your life and the lives of those you touch.